Are you aiming to boost your health naturally? You're in luck! In this video, we're shining a light on 5 powerful antifungal herbs and dishing out the best ways to use them for optimal health benefits. Before we step into this botanical journey, remember to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on empowering natural health strategies. Your engagement is crucial for our community's growth, so thank you for every click and comment. Garlic. Let's start with a familiar favorite, garlic. Not only does it add zest to your dishes, but it's also a formidable antifungal agent thanks to its key compound, allicin. To harness garlic's full potential, consider adding fresh crushed garlic to your meals. For a more concentrated dose, garlic supplements are a great alternative. Regular consumption can help ward off fungal infections and boost your immune system. Incorporate raw garlic into your salads, dressings, or even as a topping for your favorite dishes. If you're not a fan of the taste, garlic capsules are a taste-free option to consider. Oregano oil. Next up, oregano oil, a potent herb with carvacrol, a compound that battles fungi effectively. It's especially useful against stubborn fungal infections like Candida. Oregano oil is powerful, so it's best used diluted. Mix a couple of drops with a carrier oil, like coconut oil, and apply it to the affected area. For internal health benefits, including fighting Candida, diluted oregano oil can be taken orally with water or in capsule form. Remember, moderation is key. Coconut oil. The versatile coconut oil is not just for cooking or skin care, it's also an excellent antifungal. Rich in caprylic acid, coconut oil breaks down fungal cells, making it a natural remedy for Candida overgrowth. Incorporate coconut oil into your diet by using it as a cooking oil or adding it to your coffee and smoothies. For topical use, apply it directly to fungal infections as a moisturizing antifungal treatment. Ginger. This spicy root does more than add flavor to your meals. It also has significant antifungal benefits. Ginger helps in soothing inflammation and improving digestion, creating an unfriendly environment for fungal growth. Brew a strong ginger tea by simmering fresh ginger slices in water. You can also include ginger in your cooking or take ginger supplements for a more concentrated dose. Turmeric. Last but not least, turmeric is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, thanks to curcumin, its active compound. Turmeric helps in fighting fungal infections while boosting your overall immunity. Add turmeric to your meals generously, enjoy turmeric tea, or take curcumin supplements for targeted health benefits. Combining turmeric with black pepper enhances its absorption and effectiveness. Incorporating these antifungal herbs into your daily routine can significantly enhance your body's natural defenses, leading to a healthier, more vibrant you. Whether it's through diet, supplements, or topical applications, these herbs offer a natural pathway to improved health and well-being. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Have you used any of these antifungal herbs before? Do you have any recipes or tips on how to incorporate them into your daily life? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your input is invaluable to our community, fostering a space where we can all learn, grow, and thrive together. If you found this video helpful, why not share it with someone who might benefit from it too? Together, we can spread the word about the power of natural remedies and support each other in our health journeys. Thank you for joining us as we explored these 5 powerful antifungal herbs and how to use them. Remember, taking small steps towards incorporating natural remedies into your life can lead to significant health improvements over time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more natural health insights and tips.